everybody, Sherry from Chilliwack Labradoodles. We are going to move through weighing each of the puppies from our night sky litters. So they are 6 weeks old, and part of their process each week is we do weigh-ins. So this is Mr. Red from the night sky litter, and we are going to do a little weight check on him so that we can calculate his deworm medication later. Looks like we have 2.29. We'll say 2.29. Oh yes, you're growing into a big healthy boy. 2.29 kilograms. Good job, buddy. Okay, I've got Mr. Blue here from the night sky litter, and we're gonna do a little weigh-in on him. There we go. Good job, buddy. Yes. Yeah, I see your tail wagging. 2.42 kilograms. There we go. So we are constantly weighing the puppies. This is one of the ways we can ensure that they're all healthy and eating and developing the way we want. And if their weights drop, then we know, of course, that there's something going on, and their weight can alert us to anything that might be wrong with the puppy or something that we need to take care of. And these guys are gaining weight wonderfully. And I also need the weights at 6 weeks because I've got to calculate how much to give them for their dewormer, because at 6 weeks they do get dewormed with our dewormer for 3 days. Yes, we do. Yes, you're on panic here for 3 days at 6 weeks, and then they'll go home with no worms. Hey, yes. We got little Miss Yellow here. We're gonna put her on the weigh scale and see what she comes to today. Let's see. 1.72. So Miss Yellow is 1.72 kilograms at 6 weeks old. Great, we'll get the next one, Kim. Okay, we got little Miss Fuchsia here. Let's take a look what her weight is at 6 weeks. We got 1.6. Nope. Pardon me, 1.96 kilograms is her weight. There we go, Missy, 1.96. Excellent. Okay, we have Miss Purple here from the night sky litter, and she's gonna take her turn at the scale. We'll wake the scale back up. Yes, it fell asleep on us. There we go. There we go, little Missy. Okay. 2.06. 2.06 kilograms. Yep. 2.06 is where Purple weighs in. Okay, Mr. Black's turn to get weighed in here. Let's see. Oops, we're just off the scale a bit. There we go. 2.19. So Mr. Black weighs 2.19 kilograms. And Black, 2.19. Okay, our green little black phantom guy here. Let's see what he weighs at 6 weeks. Hey, buddy. Hi. Do you cutie? Yes, you are. Yeah. Okay, here we go. 2.12. So green is 2.12 kilograms. There you go. Can you say hello? Hello, everybody. Mr. Handsome. Oh my goodness. Okay. We'll move on to the next puppy. So little Miss Pink. There we go. Hi, baby. Hi. 1.82. 1.82 kilograms for Miss Pink. Great. Hi. Hey, baby. Okay, and last but not least, we have little Miss Orange here. Let's get her weight done. There we go. Oh yes. 1.89. 1.89 kilograms. Okay, that wraps it up. We've got 9 puppies from our night sky litter. Weights have been taken at 6 weeks old.